Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and embed a video inside of your product pages on Shopify. So there's a few reasons you may want to do this. Maybe you have a video demonstration demonstrating your product and you want to go ahead and show that to customers on the product page, or perhaps maybe you have customer testimonials in video form that you want to put on your product page. Either way, I'm going to show you how to do this right now. So if you log into your online store and you come down here to products, we just need to go ahead and select one really quick. So I'm going to just select one of these right here, and then what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and select where on this description we want to go ahead and put the video. So we could either put the video below this line of text, or we could put it above. So in this case, I'm going to just put it right below. So I'm going to go ahead and set the cursor right here, and now we're going to go ahead and go select the video that we want to go ahead and put here. So in this case, I'm going to be using YouTube because YouTube is going to be the most common place you're probably going to be getting most of your videos. So what you want to do is go ahead and find the video that you want to go ahead and put in here. So I'm going to just go ahead and open up one of these really quickly, and you're just going to want to pause the video in the beginning, and you're going to come down here to the share button and click on share, and then click on embed right here, and then right here it's going to give us the embed code in here. So what we can do is we can go ahead and choose a certain point in the video right here that we want it to start at. So let's say we want to start it like 20 seconds in. We could start at 20 seconds in. In this case, I'm just going to have it start from the beginning, but that is how we can edit a specific part in the video. And then we can choose right here to show the player controls. So that's just going to be like the play button and the share button and everything on there. And then right here we can go ahead and enable privacy enhanced mode, which if we open this up, we'll go ahead and see that when you turn on privacy enhanced mode, YouTube won't store information about visitors on your website unless they play the video. So in this case, I'll just go ahead and check that. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and copy this code right here. And we're going to come back over to the product page. And now, in order to paste this in and get the video to show up, we're going to have to click on Show HTML in the editor, and I'm going to go ahead and come right down here, and I'm going to go ahead and just put it down here at the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and paste this in right here, and I'm going to click save, and then I'm going to go ahead and click view real quick, and we can see the video show up right here. So there is a couple things that we can do. We can edit the video size if we want by coming in here and manually editing the code. So you can do that by just finding where it says iframe. So if you have a ton of text on your product page, it might be hard to find this, so you could Control F and search for iframe, and that'll take you right to this code. And right here we can change the width. So right now the width by default is 560 pixels and the height is 315 pixels. So if we wanted to go ahead and make this bigger or smaller, we could just adjust this in here. So let's say I just wanted to make it like 450 by 250. I could come in there, change that, click save again, and we will go ahead and view the page again, and we can see that now the video went ahead and got smaller. So that's how you go ahead and embed videos onto your product pages within Shopify. If you found this video helpful, leave it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel for more content, and I'll see you guys in the next one.